Good afternoon. Good afternoon from Farmer Phil. How are you all going? Right, time to head home. We've had a bit of rain today, during the night. A bit of rain today. Might mean that autumn need a couple of inches. We're not going to get that, but that's better than none. And it'll keep things ticking along where it started from the other day. They're changing the weather's dropped the cows a bit, but you expect that at autumn time on the autumn break. Oh, Annabelle, look, you're here. Come to say hello. It's been a long time we've said hello, isn't it? A bit wet today. Haven't seen that Wilma for a few days. G'day, girl. Get rid of that wet here, do you? Off you go. One up there with the pink on the tail. She was the one that lost her electronic ear tag, so she has now got a new one. People that don't know what the electronic ear tags, they identify the cows, which property they come from, and when they lose one, instead of a white one, they're going to have an orange one. Going, Betty. Where's that, Betty? Hey, there you go. Oh, you hit the bumped around. Off they go home. Yeah, so we've got to find them when we. A little bit harder in a herringbone without entry ID, but we know cows are creatures of habit. They nearly come through the cow bales around about the same time. So what we do, put them through the drafting race, scan them over about 3 milkings, and if the cow that's missing their ear tag doesn't get red, instead of having a 0 on the counter, instead of having a 0 on the counter, it'll have a 9. Then we know it's missed the cow. So with that, here comes Wilma. G'day, Wilma. Keep going, Betty. Wilma's turn. Hello, how are you? You've got look at your hair. Can we do a different style with that? What do you reckon? It's a bit wet, isn't it? Yeah, so they say they come through in the first 6 lots, so it could be the first 6 lots. So then you check the cows, go out and check the cows as they're going out. And if the green light doesn't flash on the drafter, you know she hasn't got an ear tag. So you look at that little green light, watch the cows going through, and you can pick it up that way. It's the only way we can do it. Because we haven't got entry ID. Entry ID would make it a lot easier, of course. Rotary dairies, they breed the cows every milking, and the computer will say bale 20, say, no number. So you draft them ones out and you can check them. because sometimes they put the head down so they can't, their number can't be read, but if they put the heads down they don't get fed. That's, I think you better go, eh? Farmerfield's got to go and wind the fence up. Righto. Goodbye from Farmerfield, catch you all later.